How to add stickers in VN Video Editor. Want to spice up your video with stickers? Here's how to do it in VN Video Editor. It's quick and easy. First, tap the sticker button or icon on the main editing screen. Browse through the sticker categories or search for a specific one. Tap the sticker to add it to your timeline. Resize or move it on the preview screen. You can also adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the sticker clip. Use stickers sparingly to keep your video looking clean and professional. What's your favorite sticker to use? Let us know in the comments below. And that's how you can add stickers to your project in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.